And I'm going to prove it to you. I'm going to show you two images. These two images I'm going to show you, they are taken at the same time, the same scene, the same bride and groom. One was taken by me, another one was taken sideways at the same time. Dani shot the one that's sideways, and it's not because she doesn't know, because she knows. But when she has time, when I'm doing portraits, she always tries to get a different angle. And I'm going to show you how they are different, right? Because I was the main photographer. I had them directed. She was just, you know, shooting sideways to get a different angle. Let me show you what she came up with. This is what she came up with. Beautiful picture, right there, right? But look at the distraction of that house over there. That's a huge distraction right there. Okay, and this is the final image that the image that I shot. So because when I walked in, I saw that house in there and said that house cannot be on my picture because it's distraction.